the hiking trail. It's pretty hard. And
oh my
yeah.
God.
Guess we're in the desert now. I didn't know that cactus grew in the
desert.
in the thingy-mabobber.
Those look like kids.
Kids. Those ain't kids. Those are children. There's rocks. I like rocks. Can't wait to catch Bigfoot on camera. Whoa.
Tegan and Tori are still back there.
Let's just wait for him.
Yeah, Tegan and Tori are still back there. Oh.
Found Bigfoot evidence. Jeez. Oh yeah, this is definitely big Bigfoot territory. You see all these like those chopped down trees? You know, guys, we are going for Bigfoot today. I brought some bananas because I know apes in general like bananas. So,
Okay, are you good? I'm fine.
Huh.
It should say on
That's a big map. We're gonna try to find Bigfoot, guys. Yeah. Do you just see that, guys? I think I saw Bigfoot over there. Oh, there he goes. No, that's just a bunny. That's just a bunny. Any mountain goats? No. Look at that, guys. Perfect Bigfoot territory. There's a nice river right here. There's a solar panel. This is perfect Bigfoot territory. All right. See this solar panel? Yeah, you don't see it. Well, actually, you do see it. Oh, holy crap! I think I seen Bigfoot. No Bigfoot. A Bigfoot den. Let's keep moving. We're getting closer. That's a bigger Bigfoot den. We're getting really close now. Yes, I think I seen Bigfoot up there. It's bad. Grand Canyon right now, as you can see, guys. It's pretty cool. All right, guys. As you can see, so there's some Egyptian writing. It says 6979Q 808. So this is some Egyptian writing. So I think Bigfoot did it. So we're just gonna set that down, and then we'll see if it leaves. I'm gonna just stand right here and see if it leaves. Oh my God, guys! A banana disappeared. That's a bummer. All right, guys. I just hear some squeaking. Tell me if you can hear this. Do you hear that? It sounds like Bigfoot squeaks. He's like sitting on a toilet right now. Hot pursuit. Now, I'll put this on so I can like protect myself just for like sunburn. I look like a lion. Growl. Perfect. Look at this, boys. This is perfect Bigfoot country. So many caves around here. It's almost crazy. We found Bigfoot's territory.
No, we're good.
Oh boy.
Are you crawling?
Yeah?
How many bugs could be in here? I don't know. Are you able to fit? I think I am.
My name is Fit. I can make anything fit. Alright, guys. We made it to Gravity Falls, or Hidden Falls, or Niagara Falls, whatever this place is. Hope you guys had a nice video and day. So we did capture Bigfoot eating a banana. Well, he kind of stole the banana, but we did catch him. Bye.